Next, another system, what we call it, booking system, online booking system. So instead of going there physically, you book using the internet. You book using the internet. And what's the advantage of booking using the internet? Save time and cost of traveling. You can compare prices, different shows in different places, see the least expensive one, the nearest one to you, and then you go there, isn't it? The payment and everything can be confirmation is done automatically. Whenever you pay them, you get even the electronic ticket. You go there with your ticket, either you print out the ticket or you show them the ticket in your smartphone or as a digital ticket. Very good. And now you'll find it's becoming more and more attractive. Plus, we can add, you can book 24/7. You can book at any time. Go in line, check, book, sleep. You go the next day. You don't have to go and wait in a queue or talk with the staff to book. Very good. But the disadvantages are after you book, and this happens many times, it's very hard to cancel. Because whenever you are booking, you are paying using a credit card or a debit card, isn't it? So the money will be taken from your bank account and deposited where in their bank accounts. So making this, reversing this operation might take time. That's why some of the systems, they will tell you that you have 30 minutes, 1 hour, or 24 hours before your booking will be 100% unreversible. Very good, because it will be hard for them to reverse the whole operations and even give you your money back. Yes, and sometimes it happens. It crash whenever there is a high level of traffic, and you will find this whenever everyone would like to book in the same day. What will happen to the system? The system will not be able to serve all these requests, so the system will collapse. The system will collapse. Very good, because it has some kind of a bandwidth of doing it, and you don't get any advices. No one to talk with. No one to talk with. You will select the system, and you will do whatever you are doing, and no one will give you any kind of an advice. Okay. Another reason that you will find some of them will not be user friendly. Other booking example for booking is online flight booking. Online flight booking. Now, online flight booking, you need just to remember these steps in your notes. For any booking, the steps never changes. For any booking, the steps never changes. Why the step never changes? Because you will have to access an app, for example. You have to access an app, input what you do. For example, here we are flight. What we do, you select the date of the flight, the airports, yes, the departure airports, the arrival airports, all of them, and then what will happen? The system will check the availability for you, giving you options, and then you will have to pay. And once you pay, what will happen? Once you pay, what you get? Confirmation, electronic ticket. So normally you need to go into an app and open this kind of app. See, you will select the departure, the return in time and date. You can select any time, or if you prefer to return at night or to travel at night. You will select the route you would like. You will select the number of people traveling, and then the system will give you some options. Once you confirm, the system will ask you to pay. Once you pay online, what will happen? The system will send you a confirmation and an electronic ticket. Very good. And that's why we call them online system. Type it next. Online system means confirmation and payment is done immediately to avoid double booking. To avoid double booking. So whenever I say online, that means double booking will not happen, because after you select a specific seat, no one else should take the same seat. Otherwise, two persons will be booking the same seat, which is wrong. And that's why this system has to be online. You have to get the confirmation. You have to get the electronic ticket. The seat you selected has to be unavailable for others immediately to avoid double booking. Are we good? Look at the flow chart here to see. This is how the system works. Pay attention, please. In the back, pay attention. This is how the system works. Look, you start the system. Open the app, for example. What will happen? It will ask you, do you have an account? If yes, what do you do? Log in using your username and password. If you don't have an account, what do you do? Register. And after you register, you go back again and log in, isn't it? So you'll be in their system. And then book a flight and you get this window. Whenever you book a flight, you get this window. You finish your confirmations, you get the confirmation. If yes, it will be reserved, you get the ticket, and the system ends. This is the flow chart of the system, or this is how the system works from the start to the finish. So remember, online systems means everything has to be done real time, confirmations, ticket, payment, everything to avoid double booking. What about if we are booking something else? Let's say we are booking a cinema. Would like to go to a show. The steps will be opening the app. What do you do inside the app? The name of the show, the date and time, and the location you prefer. And then you will get this screen here. After confirmation, select your seat. If I select these seats here, what will happen? And I pay for them. Confirmation, get the ticket. They will be grayed out for the rest of the people who are trying to book. So whenever you get your seats, get the tickets, you will find that no one else can get these grayed out seats. Are we good? And all of the booking, they have the same steps. Remember, all bookings have the same steps. Confirmation, payments online, then confirmation, and then you get your electronic ticket.